Hey, what's up, everyone? In this video, I've got a bit of a unique partner introduction. It's unique in the fact that it is a fluid situation about how big this partnership could be, how big this solution could be for the MyListing community, and what it could unlock. I couldn't put all of this down into words. It'd be too hard to explain. So I felt like it really needed a video to get the message across. And also there's just a stipulation that I really want to convey to people as part of this relationship with this partner. So we'll get into that. How this came about is the MyListing worksheets that I created. So from the MyListing Club website, if you scroll down the homepage just a bit and you go into this MyListing worksheets product page, I definitely invite you to watch these videos to learn what these are all about. It doesn't matter if you build MyListing websites for yourself or for clients. These relate, okay? This is just, like I said, this is just the tip of the iceberg, but there's 4 MyListing worksheets currently for doing the taxonomies, the listing types, configuring all the WooCommerce products, and which is a listing packages worksheet, and the fields. So there's 4 total. Check those out here. So how this partnership came about is from the very beginning, I've thought this, wondered this, if we could do this. And that's basically all that data you input into these worksheets. It's awesome. It's in Airtable. You also have the option of Google Sheets. I prefer the Airtable route, and it's all done with the free version of Airtable. But how awesome would it be is after you input all of that data into Airtable, you can then sync that data over to MyListing, okay? That has always been a long-term goal of mine, and that is what we're working towards here with this partnership. This is not a situation where the product I'm about to show you is that you can buy it, set it up, and you're going to be syncing data seamlessly to MyListing in a few minutes or at all. It just depends on the situation. It depends on what you're trying to do. The stipulation here is that I promised to the partner was only buy this solution if you have a mindset of flexibility and looking at this more of a long-term, fluid situation, that sort of play, right? Don't buy this expecting instant gratification and not expecting to put a little bit of work in and that sort of thing. And then you get frustrated and you try to get a refund. You ask for a refund. I don't want that for you, that frustration for you. I don't want that frustration for the partner because I want this deal to stick around. I want them to continue to offer this. So again, don't buy this expecting a 5 to 10 minute, implementation and you're syncing data. Like you've got to be willing to be flexible, work with the vendor. We're all in this together, right? Trying to figure out how to make this work. This could just be an awesome long-term play for the MyListing community, right? So I wanted to get that out there. Just please go into it with the right mindset, or don't go into it all. That's basically it. Okay. So again, the overall goal, sync the worksheets, or I should say partial goal, sync the worksheets from the MyListing Club or whatever worksheets that you have in Airtable, sync those to your MyListing website, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the product here, the deal. So from the MyListing Club website, go up under menu and then deals. And we're looking here at Air WP Sync. Okay, so we'll just run through this really quickly. There's a link to their website right here at the very top. Something I need to point out too is this is no affiliate situation, guys. This is me giving you helping you get the biggest discount possible, which is 50% off. Okay, I don't get any commission for this. I don't get anything other than helping bring the discount to the MyListing Club members, okay? That's it, period. It's not there. So this, I'll let you guys review the product website and stuff. And this is just one thing they offer. They've got Woo for Airtable that is coming. It's in the works. We'll talk about that later. There's Notion to WP. There's Forms integrations. Really, really cool stuff going on. Our focus right now is Airtable to WP. All right. So as it says here, AirWP Sync is the first and only plugin that syncs your data from Airtable to WordPress. Manage all your data in Airtable to create directories, blogs, etc. with the full website experience of WordPress. And we'll run through these bullet points here. You need only one source of truth for your website data. So you can rely on AirWP Sync to keep your data up to date and accurate, avoiding mistakes and inconsistencies. That's a long way of saying, keep everything in Airtable or certain things in Airtable and sync that to MyListing. Okay, so Airtable could be your source of truth there. Work more efficiently and collaboratively with AirWP Sync. Website owners can manage content and data directly into Airtable without using the WordPress admin panel. So if you've watched any of the videos that I've done for the worksheets, that is something I've always preached too, is the worksheets allow you to add all of that data in there and enter it really quickly without jumping in and out of all of those admin screens, right? Another cool thing is, as they mention here too, is collaboration. Invite your team members into Airtable to add the data so they don't have to jump through all of those WordPress screens, setting up the theme and whatnot, okay? And I did all of that stuff before I even knew this product existed when I was creating the worksheets. That was my mindset. And when I ran across this and the way they spoke about this, it just hit home, and it just is like, yeah, hell yeah, we have the same mindset, right? Unlimited connections to Airtable, native pages and post support, custom post types and custom field support, easy field mapping. So when you go to map your Airtable data to your fields and stuff, then there's going to be easy field mapping. At least that's the overall goal, right? This next line is the real important line, or one of the most important lines. ACF, Advanced Custom Field Support. MyListing relies on ACF for the fields, the custom fields that are in your listing types when you go to build those. Okay, one of the MyListing worksheets is the fields worksheet. You see where this is kind of going? Add, update, and delete content from Airtable. So it's back to that again. That one source of truth could be Airtable as much as you want it to be. All right. Manual, recurring, or instant sync options. So 3 options there at this time. And then there's a lot more. Okay. Next important point, the Pro Plus version is where the discount, the 50% off, is applied to, because as that says here, the Pro Plus version is required with MyListing because the theme uses ACF, Advanced Custom Fields Pro. So if you're going to take advantage of this deal, you have to get the Pro Plus version. That's the only product that this coupon will even apply to. Okay. Got to get Pro Plus. All right. So get the Pro Plus one site plan. That's what this discount applies to. Okay. If you're a member, then below here, it'll all unlock. You'll have a direct link to sign up and the coupon code to sign up. Okay. So again, one more time, just a favor, have the right mindset going into this. I am doing the same myself. I can't fire up AirWP Sync right this second and expect everything to work flawlessly right now. It's just, I got to work with the vendor just like I'm asking you to do. And hopefully, maybe, you're join the club community if you're not already in there, and we work together to bring this thing to fruition, because there's more exciting stuff to come down the road. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this gets you excited about where this could go. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.